Hi guys, my name is Jawad Alam and today I am going to start a lecture for htaccess for beginners. Uh, in this lecture we are going to learn rules of htaccess, and the first thing is that, and the second thing is how to create a htaccess file in project, and the third one is a problem why we need this. Well, start from the first one, rules of htaccess. Well guys, this is so simple for the beginner. We have only three rules for htaccess. Just remember three rules. One rule is rewrite engine. Second one is rewrite base, and the third one is rewrite rule. Okay. Okay. With these three rules, we can write an htaccess. And what is these three rules? This is a starting tag for htaccess engine, and this is the project path directory, and this is the defined rule. Well, before starting the defined rule, we should know uh, some character here, like this and this. These two things will use frequently in our project in htaccess. What's mean? This is a start of string, and this is the end of string. Now what is rewrite rule? Basically, rewrite rule is a function which has two arguments. First argument, and this is the second argument. Well, first argument should have a start string and end string parameter, and between this we are going to write something like index.html, and for the second parameter we should have a space, and we should write something like .php parameter or something. Now what is first argument? First argument is equals to what we see what we see in browser URL, and the second one is where this browser URL should actually transfer. Well guys, just learn by heart what is htaccess and how it's working and it's looking like. So this is a rewrite rule, first argument and second argument. First argument is about what we are seeing in the browser and whatever like we are seeing in the browser, like, okay. So this is example for you .html. We actually I have already created an project of htaccess. It's an empty directory which is here, and now I am going to create a PHP file here. This might be looking like .php file, and here I am going to create, yes, I am a PHP file, and I am saving this file to my.php file here. Now guys, look what I am getting is I have a file my.php file, which is showing yes I have a PHP file here. Now look at the folder. We have to create a .htaccess file here. For rule number, for point number 2, that will be how to create an htaccess file. Just open a notepad file and put the save to the directory. Here is the htaccess, and in the file name just put a double inverted commas and dot type dot and type dot htaccess and save it. Now look at this, a file without base name, just a type and extension which is showing here. So guys, open notepad file and save file with .htaccess in project root. So guys, what is the problem here we are facing right now? Like we have an example that www.example.com slash 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 and HTML file, but in a real we don't have HTML file. Like here we don't have HTML file, so we need to create a virtual HTML file which is looking like it's an HTML file, but it's not an HTML file. It should be something else. So the problem is that we don't have this file, but we want to have this file virtually. Whatever we are getting in this .html file, we should have in another file. Like in my case, okay, in my case, /ht. But whatever I am getting from this, I want to receive this in my.php file here. So actually this file is not exist and this file is exist, but we are hitting this URL and we want to access this file in this URL. This is a simple problem. So in the beginning of this video I have told a 3 rewrite rules for htaccess. I am copying this rules and paste in htaccess file and removing all of these things. Okay guys, rewrite engine should be on, simple. And what is RewriteBase? The directory where project is published. So in my case, my directory is htaccess. So I am placing this directory URL. Well guys, as I told you, their rewrite rule have a 2 argument. First argument and this is the second argument. First argument, what we see in the URL, it also have a start string and the end string, and second argument where we have to send this argument to the file. So for the first argument I am getting .html file, and for the second argument whatever I am receiving in HTML file, I have to move it to .my.php file. So this is a simple rewrite rule. Now see, yes, I am PHP file. Well guys, index.html file is not actually present. Look this, it is not actually present, but whatever I am getting in index.html, basically I have masked it over .php file, over my.php file. So like r is equals to page slash index or something, whatever I am getting in index.php file, I am getting in my.php file. Look, have a look. Let's get. Look guys, now the HTML file is acting like a PHP or a dynamic file. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.